Hello and welcome to Price Reporter's EDI Catalog Upload Training video. This platform was designed especially for GSA contractors as a SIP replacement. Today we'll cover all aspects of the platform in a logical format. Chapter 1. How to log in, how to input your company details, add users, add your contract, and enter your current contract details. All URLs will be posted in the description section below or sent to you directly via email by your sales manager. Logging in. Your sales manager will have sent you your username and password via email. If not, please contact your sales manager or one of the Price Reporter team on 201-567-6646. Once logged in, click on the Settings button. To confirm the client's name and the UEI number are correct. You can then add users here. Click on Add. Input the first name, last name, email address, password. Then click Create. You can delete a user by selecting them and then clicking on Delete. If you forget your password, please contact your sales manager. Creating and modifying your contract details. By the time you've received your username and password, your account and your contract details will have already been entered onto the platform. To get to your contract, scroll down, find and click on your contract number. On this page, you'll find a summary of your particular contract information. For example, contract number, UEI number, the type of contract that you currently have, your SIP password, minimum order amount, and your SINs. To add a SIN, click here. Start typing your desired SIN and tick the box on the left. You can repeat these actions to add multiple SINs. Then click on Add Selected SIN. You can also remove a SIN by clicking on the X. Your terms and conditions are also located here. To replace, click on Replace Terms and Conditions and select the appropriate file to upload. If you only have services and no tangible products, check this box. To check the upload has been completed, you can download a copy from here. Your basic company details and contract administrator point of contact can be amended here. Please remember to click on the Update button if you've changed anything on the page. There are two ways you can create a contract. Number one, by copying an existing contract where the only information copied across is the company data. Or two, clicking on New Contract and starting from scratch. When copying or creating a new contract, please follow the instructions on screen and check the box if it's a BPA contract. As mentioned before, when copying a contract, please remember you may need to adjust the details as they may differ from the contract you used as a template. The process to follow when wanting to view a catalog modification or an upload is as follows. Click on the contract number at the bottom of the screen, then either click on Catalog or Upload. There is also a third button there to view the event logs for that particular contract. Excel template orientation. You can use either your template or our feature-packed template to upload your catalog to the GSA. More on how to use your spreadsheet later. But for now, I'll run through and highlight a few of the alerts and how they appear to the user. When using SIP or EDI to upload your catalog, there are certain restrictions that apply to the data you send to the GSA. For example, manufacturer's part number character count cannot be greater than 40. This also applies to manufacturer name, product name, vendor part number. Other checks include warranty type, which can only be STND or EW for extended warranty, or the country of origin column, where the template will alert you whether a country that you've inputted is TA compliant or not by highlighting the cell red. Please pause the video to take a look at the full list. If you have any issues with our template, or you need help uploading your template, please contact us by telephone or email us at support@pricereporter.com. Other pointers when using Price Reporter's template. Only paste values by using Ctrl plus Alt plus V and select Values. Do not paste using Ctrl V, as this will paste all the formatting from the original cell. If you have any issues, please remember to contact support@pricereporter.com. Adding images to your upload. You can upload the images for your catalog by either zipping them up into an archive or using a web link. Let's start off with the zip archive. Begin by adding the photo name, including the extension, into the appropriate row in your Excel spreadsheet containing your line items. Then, go to the corresponding folder containing all of the images and zip into a single folder, as shown here. Adding images by web link. Open your spreadsheet and under column V, enter the photo web link into the appropriate row containing your line item. Once finished, save and close the sheet. That's it. Uploading a full catalog. On the login page, scroll down, click on your contract, and then click on Catalogs. Click on New Catalog. Click in the catalog number field and enter the series number for the catalog you are just about to upload. If you're just starting out, then type in 1000. If you are uploading a revised catalog, then also add in the previous catalog number. Then click on Create. Here you can find the numbered steps to accomplish the upload. Number 1, items. 2, images. And 3, validate and send to the GSA. Under items, you can do the following. Download our catalog template for all types of modifications. For example, original and replacement catalogs, changes, additions, deletions, and temporary sales prices. Number 2, upload your catalog to Price Reporter for processing. And 3, map your catalog columns if you're not using our catalog template. Images. As mentioned before, images can be processed either from a zip file or URLs. Type. The type of modification you're making, such as an addition, deletion, or temporary sales, amongst others. Effective date. The date you want the modification to be effective from. Approval number. Your approval number is generally obtained from your CO after successfully submitting a modification. Revision number. This is the revision number of the current catalog modification. You may enter any notes you wish to make in the Notes field. This is not visible to your CO. Clicking on items will bring up the following box. From here, you can download Price Reporter's catalog template with its error correcting features, or if you're using your own spreadsheet, you can click on Next. When using your own spreadsheet, please map your headers to the appropriate column letter. For example, if manufacturer part number is in column C, then change this field from A to C. Go through the whole list and change accordingly. If there are headers you don't use, then leave the field blank. Generally, we recommend to use our template as it covers all requirements from the GSA. Once you're happy with the mappings, or you are using our templates, then click on Preview. Select the catalog you wish to upload and click Open. This will present a sample of the data uploaded to Price Reporter. Please check for any column header mismatches, and if there are any errors, click on Back to Mapping. If you are happy with what you see, then click on Upload. Having successfully uploaded your catalog to Price Reporter, you will be presented with various catalog statistics, SIN statistics, the validation results, and additional data. Catalog statistics will advise you of your item count, items with photos attached to them, processed images, either uploaded through zip archive or URLs, items with options or accessories, duplicated items, error item count, and warning item count. Moving on, SIN statistics will show you SINs included in your upload, the item count per SIN. If photos are required, generally at least one photo is required per SIN. Whether a UPC number is required or not, again, one UPC number is generally required, and items with UPC counts. Validation results. In this section, you'll be advised of any errors that our validation service finds in your uploaded data. We can fix simple errors, but they have to be initiated by you, like so. Other errors cannot be fixed simply and thus require human intervention. You can do this by downloading the catalog spreadsheet with the errors found appended to the last column. Just fix any errors found, delete the last column, and re-upload by clicking on the Replace Items button. Repeat the process of uploading your fixed spreadsheet to Price Reporter again. Additional data. In this section, you will find image upload reporting, options, and accessories. Section 2. Uploading your images. Click on the Images button and read through the information given to you. There are 3 scenarios. Scenario number 1, photos in a zip archive only. Click on Select and select the appropriate zip archive, and then click on Process. This will upload the images in the zip archive to us. Scenario number 2, URL links only. If you only have URL links, then skip the Select button and just click on Process. This will initiate our servers to pull all the photos from the URL supplied. Scenario number 3, photos in a zip archive and URL link mix. Click on Select and select the desired zip archive. Then click on Process. This will initiate an upload of your zip archive and also have our servers pull the photographs from the URL supplied, as seen here. To view the status of your images, click on Download Reports. This will download a spreadsheet with all the line items that we expect to have images for, be it via zip archive or URL. This spreadsheet will advise you of all the actions made when processing your images. The status column can either be completed or error. You may look through and filter out the completed line items so you can work on any errors that may have occurred. Examples of errors can be broken links, incompatible images, like PNG, amongst others. You can correlate any line item that have errors back to the original spreadsheet uploaded by the manufacturer part number. To correct any errors, note the manufacturer part number, download the validation results, as mentioned before, find the associated manufacturer part number, enter the correct photo name or URL in column V, and follow the re-upload process along with any images in a separate zip file. You can upload multiple zip files, but only one at a time. Section number 3. Sending your data to the GSA. Once you are happy with your line items and images, the only thing that's left to do is to confirm the catalog settings, add the approval number, and then click on Update. If you've done everything correctly, the Validate and Send to GSA button will become active. Click on Validate and Send to the GSA. Then click on OK. Additions, deletions, changes, and sales price modifications. To upload an addition, deletion, change, or sales price modification, navigate to Settings, select the catalog you wish to amend, then click on Uploads. Click on New Upload, select Catalog Modification, choose the type of modification you want, enter the effective date, append any notes, and then click on Create. This will open up the desired modification type upload page. Depending on the type of modification, you may need to download an example template via the Items button, as seen here. To download the correct template, click on Type, select from the drop-down menu, click on Update, and then click on Items. These are examples of the different types of templates we use. GSA Response files and troubleshooting. Once you've sent your catalog images and terms and conditions to the GSA, you may want to know how your modification is progressing. Go to the upload you want an update for, and then click on Transactions. This is what a successfully completed upload looks like. Notice the full transaction report, starting from the bottom, data preparation phase, data sending phase, and the GSA response file sent back to Price Reporter, which in this case is successful and demarked by the Receive Acknowledgement. Your upload should be published on the GSA over the next 48 hours. This is what an unsuccessful upload looks like. The difference here is the rejection response file. In this case, you may click on the magnifying glass to review the rejection reasons. There are many reasons why your modification may be rejected. If you need help with the rejection, then please contact our support team on support@pricereporter.com. And finally, when contacting support, you can expedite your resolution by adding as much information as possible to the ticket. Thank you for attending Price Reporter's EDI Catalog Upload training video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and please contact us if you have any questions.